Hey Ben, what kind of tree is this right here? What kind of leaves are
What
they?
is it?
Look, what do you mean, what is it? I'm asking you.
Oak.
What is it?
Oak.
That's right. Good job. Okay, wait. What's this? What's this one right here? This one.
Pine.
Pine. That's right, because it's got flaky bark and it has sap. Right? And what's this thing crawling up the side of the tree?
Vine.
Vine. That's right. Good job. What's that right there? There. What's that? Yeah, that one. Cedar. Very good. Very good. Okay, what's that right there? Now to your right. Oh, yeah, what's this? Very good. What's this over here? What's this right here? Look at it. What is it? Look at the leaves. Pull the leaves down so you... Maple? Yeah, that's right. Maple. Good job. Sharp points on the leaves. Either that or you've memorized the tree since we've been around so many times. Good job, buddy. That's 5. That's right. 5 times around. Good job. There's Tallulah. Fetch. Where's the ball? Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come here. Fetch. Tallulah. Hey, silly mutt. What's this right here?
Oak.
Oak. Very good. Good job.